Hey, Shabbat, I want to show you something. When they say core, they mean core. Look at these joints. Look at them. When they say core, they mean core. To the core. So, yeah. So, yo, cho. So, that's my new, that's the new 30. And so this is a 12 core. I'm going to put in a RAM. Sorry for the technical difficulties of skipping. Here's the RAM. Got 24 gig. I'm going to load. As you can see, I have a slot there and slots back there. And so I guess they serve, each one service the core. So I'm just going to try to even it out and make it look good as best as possible there. Okay? I just wanted to show you that there's, I'll show you this too. So, okay. There is the MacBook, and I don't want to drag it, but might be able to see. There's my Radeon. Pull it up a little bit. There's the Radeon. It's in here, but that's the Radeon card over here. Give me a little inch more. So there's the Radeon card over here, and that's the 527, the 58 instead of the 57, and so so that's good right there. So that I'm very happy about. And it got held up a day. It was held up because of 57. Actually, because it's the 2.9. I know they probably got another one waiting in the wings, like a 3. And I've always wanted to hit that 3 gigahertz barrier with Apple, and I still don't have it. So anyway. So the RAM should be a snap. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna take the I'm gonna take these out. There should be 2 slots left, but I don't know. I have to decide what I'm gonna do about that. So these are I think these are 1 gig. So these are 1 gig. And they're for Westmeyer RAM, and so it's different. And so, and then these are 4 gig slots. And so there's going to be 2 gig slots left, and I don't want to use them for a 1 gig slot. You know what I mean? I don't want to mix match them like that. One simple staple in here. Okay, I'll just hit the ground. I'm trying to show y'all. It should be okay. It hit the ground very lightly. You can only put it in a certain way. So definitely want to get that snap on. And I'm going to be much more careful with the other ones. It's very simple to put in. And with this whole core system, like I just pulled it out. It's very simple. Okay, I got the whole thing open. I had the staple on it, and I was trying to pull it out, on the staple. have to watch me do this. But if I do it really quickly, then that means under 10 minutes, you know, I've been talking. Of course, before you do this, you want to get rid of any static you might be carrying on your body. Got the hang of it that time. Really snapped in. Okay, so that's the first ones in. Turn it around. And I'm going to remember to put them in how you see them, you know, leave this empty one. And that's what I'm saying. I'm not going to take one of these and just for the extra 2 gig, put it in there. I'm just going to keep it. Unfocused. Come on. I'm going to keep it in the same corrugation or same, match the same way. So this is kind of hard to take out like that. It would be nice if I took them all out first. So I think they'll, like I say, they're probably only good for, I start from the back because then I can work towards them. But the thing about it, once I get it in, always nice to hear that snap. I hear that snap. And it's good because there's a plate on the bottom that keeps you from pushing any circuitry. So you're not, pushing any circuitry if you have to press it down. And there's this little notch here, so it'll only go in one way. And it's a notch that has to line up. And then if you apply pressure during the whole thing, across the whole chip, it'll go down quickly. So, that's up. So I still need to clean up. I did another video and I used a different app and I didn't get the sound. So, and that was just me taking it out of the box. Okay. So now you have these right here. Okay. And so you just drop it back in and you pull these tabs. So it's gonna go ahead, drop it back in. I was wondering with these big old, there's 2 notches on the bottom that it has to line up with. Sorry, you can't see that. Falls right at. And I have a super dry Blu-ray writer that I need to install, but I'm gonna do it some other time. So that's that. I don't want to show no booty, mate. Bye bye, man. Right. So there you have it. We connect it up and then run the wires over here and just get it started. Here's the keyboard, lovely keyboard, full length this time, and it's the extremely flat, the ultra thin. So I'm gonna take the RAM, put it back in these little boxes, and then decide what I'll do with those later. All right. God bless you all. Glory to God. And thank you. Bye.